Buy one, get one offers are powerful because they do more than just encourage shoppers to buy more. A great buy one, get one deal creates excitement and can feel like a surprise that is irresistible to customers. Unfortunately, Shopify built-in discounts cannot automatically add gifts to the cart or support more advanced offer triggers. So, the only solution is to use a third-party buy one, get one app. I'm Ruby, and in this video, I will test and compare 3 of the most trusted apps for buy one, get one deals on Shopify, including BOGO free gift bundle upsell, e.g. auto add to cart, and kite discount free gift BOGO. Before we get into the details, let's first define what a buy one, get one offer can include. There are several common setups such as buy one and get the same product, buy X get Y, buy 2 get 1, get the cheaper item free, and finally the multipliers, which means buy 4 to get 2 free, buy 6 to get 3 free. Next, an important point you should take notice of. It's how your shoppers will receive the gift. There are 2 main methods. The gift can be added to the cart automatically, or customers can choose their gift through a pop-up gift slider. Another feature worth mentioning is bulk buy one, get one. It helps you create dozens of buy one, get one offers at once instead of setting them manually. Now, let's look at the comparison table to see how the 3 apps perform across these features. Once you've picked an offer type, you decide which products actually trigger it. BOGOS and Kite are the most flexible here. Both let you filter by selected products, product types, vendors, and collections, so you can build an offer around any slice of your catalog. EG is narrower, it lacks product types or vendors, and some filters are locked to EG's unlimited plan. The discount type determines how customers are rewarded, and the more options an app supports, the more flexibility you have when building your offer. BOGOS has the widest set. You can give the gift as a percentage off, an amount off, a fixed price, or even discounted shipping, so you can tailor the reward to the offer. Kite is quite similar. It supports percentage discounts, fixed amounts off, and set selling prices. The EG app keeps things simpler with just percentage discounts and fixed amounts off. For any buy one, get one app, how quickly the free gift is added to the cart, or how fast the gift selection appears has a big impact on the customer experience. That's why I'll test to help you see exactly how much time each app takes. First is the auto add to cart method. Let's get started with the BOGOS app. Then I have the EG app, and finally the Kite app. Second is the gift selection shown up. For this reward method, only the EG and BOGOS apps support. Another difference lies in their gift selection widget. For BOGOS and EG, the multiple gift options will be shown as a pop-up slider. Meanwhile, Kite provides a dedicated widget embedded on the page as I'm showing now. When it comes to customization, all apps let you adjust the essential parts of their widgets, including the text and colors. For more advanced customization, like embedding the gift slider on a specific page or cart drawer, BOGOS can fully support you without extra fees. Great targeting can make or break a campaign. So, how well does each app reach the right shoppers? Let's see now. BOGOS offers the most advanced targeting of the 3. You can target offers by a specific link, order history, customer tags, location, market, or subscription status. It also supports Shopify POS, headless storefronts. Kite shares several of the same targeting options besides customer login status and customer segments. EG is the most limited here. But all of these options are only available on the unlimited plan. Next is the offer combination, which decides whether your buy one, get on offer can stack with other Shopify discounts. This is where EG and Kite have the advantage. Both can combine with product, order, and shipping discounts. BOGOS can combine with order and shipping discounts, but not product discounts. Both BOGOS and Kite provide preset templates, so you can build an offer more quickly. The EG app, however, does not include this option. From my testing, BOGOS and Kite are easier to set up, with cleaner dashboards. The EG app, on the other hand, took me longer to get used to because its settings feel more complicated. Support is the other half of this, and all 3 are well-liked, but they differ in how much help sits behind the app. The BOGOS free gift bundle upsell app gives you the widest range of resources, a responsive support team on live chat and video call, an AI assistant, help documentation, and video tutorials. Kite lacks an AI assistant, e.g. even requires ticket email support without intuitive video tutorials like the two remaining apps, and track record backs this up. The BOGOS app is rated 5.0 across nearly 4,000 reviews and has been on the App Store since 2014, the largest and highest-rated base of the three. The EG app is rated 5.0 across around 990 reviews, and Kite 4.9 across around 940 reviews. All three apps show the key numbers, including total sales, average order value, and order count. BOGOS makes this data easier to understand by displaying it in charts, so you can track your sales performance day by day. The EG app goes a step further by comparing orders and sales where your offer rules were triggered against those where they were not. The Kite app includes a discount efficiency ratio, which shows how much of your revenue is being given away through discounts. It also breaks down the customer segments driving offer sales, such as loyal customers, first-time buyers, and gift hunters. BOGOS gives you the fullest set: a progress bar, an offer page, a today's offer floating button at the homepage, an offer block placed on your featured collection, a gift icon, a gift thumbnail, and even an announcement bar. The Kite app also has strong display options, with progress bars, discount pills, an announcement bar, and a banner to promote your offer on the product page. The EG app is the lightest here. It allows you to create a banner that highlights the available gift offer and a reminder banner that lets customers reopen the gift selection. Finally, let's look at pricing. EG has the lowest starting price. It does not offer a free plan, and its paid plans start at $14.99 per month for up to 3 rules. The highest plan costs $29.99 per month and includes unlimited rules. Kite does offer a free plan, but it is only available for stores on Shopify's Basic and Grow plans. It also comes with a limit of 100 discounted orders per month. Its 2 paid plans cost $19 and $49 per month. Both include unlimited discounted orders, with the main difference being the features included. BOGO's free gift bundle upsell is the most expensive of the 3. It offers a free plan with 30 lifetime orders, while paid plans range from $29.99 to $109.99 per month. The price will depend on your current Shopify plan. So, which Shopify Buy One Get One app should you choose in 2026? Here's the quick verdict. BOGOS is best for scaling and high-volume store ready to pay more for an easy-to-use app that has reliable performance, advanced customization, and targeting, with excellent support. The Kite discount works best for stores that need in-depth analytics and combining discounts with gifts. And finally, best for stores that need a low-cost tool to run. Buy one, get one offers basically is edgy auto add to cart. If you want to try one of these apps, easily find the link I've dropped in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.